clap, clap, in thy tree, clap, clap, in thy tree, Troja, Troja, duello. Stamp, stamp, in thy tree, stamp, stamp, in thy tree, stamp, stamp, in thy tree, Troja, Troja, duello.
My name is Gladys, but I always like to be called Mamie. I am 95 years of age. I love to sing and dance. It always made me feel happy. It lifts my mood when I'm having a bad day. 14 years old, I performed in front of the troops. When I sing and dance, it brings back my past memories. I love Pembrokeshire because it got lovely scenery. My favourite place is Saundersfoot. I love to visit Saundersfoot with my daughter and sometimes with her children. We love to sit and watch the sea and watch the harbour. We sit looking at the sea and we have ice cream and lager.
Never bring me any tears. Life's too short to be spent